Good morning from the beautiful Black Hills of South Dakota. Hi, I'm Faye Swinson, independent sales rep and national recruiter for Avon. And today we're going to talk about campaign 8. We have more beautiful clothes in the catalog. And so I don't forget, look at this gorgeous top I have on. And it has like little tassels on the tie. And it is lined. And it's like a 3/4 length sleeve with a pretty button. They do all the details, and it's lined. I already said it's lined, but it also has elastic around the bottom. I didn't know if I was going to like that. I do. I just love these colors. Is it spring or what? Yes. So that's in the catalog. Another thing that's in the catalog is this fun necklace. It has like 3 different sets of beads on it, and it comes in quite a few different colors. And let me see if I can find it for you. I should have had that ready, but I didn't. It's called live video, and sometimes Faye's prepared on totally, but sometimes not quite. Oh, here they are. So a bunch of different colors, but I wanted to make sure I showed you this one thing. This is one of my cute little tricks. You don't always have to tell you some little trick, but this one is a clasp type of bracelet. And see this is like, it's just, all it is a paper clip. But you know what? It is the handiest thing if you're doing your bracelet by yourself and nobody's around, so you can still wear your bracelet. All you do is in the very end of the deal, hook on to that, hold it like that in your hand, and then you can clasp it, and it makes it so easy so you can wear. Even these people like me with big wrists, so we almost have to go to the very last notch, we can put those on ourselves. So yes, beautiful, beautiful thing. On the back cover, so I don't forget, our A box. And this one has quite a bunch of fun makeup daily needs kind of things in it. It's valued at $42 for $10 when you have a $40 purchase. And guess what? They made it super easy for you. We have this gorgeous spring collection. It's valued at $130, and you can get it for $40. So guess what? Get this and get that. And there's your, you get them both for $50, $172 worth of stuff. Is that like fantastic? But in there, one of the things you get is the Prima perfume, and there is a scratch and sniff in the catalog. But you also get a quad eyeshadow, the triple phase oil, and remember when you get that to shake it each time, because then the oils will combine, and then when you let it set, it'll separate again. And then the Ultimate Day Cream, one of my very, very favorites, and the Thermofirm, and the eyeliner and lipstick. Where can't you go wrong? $40. And this time of the year, people start spring cleaning. One of the things I love the spring cleaning with is our bubbles. Put it in your water and wash your walls with it, and your house smells so yummy. Yeah, I've been trying to get a little bit of spring cleaning done. Another thing that's in the catalog is, of course, our Aspira, and I have to make sure you know about this. Starting today, if you've ever thought about becoming a representative, today is the day to start. When you order your kit, Avon is going to put the hunger block in there for free. That's even if you bought the $25 kit, this is worth $25, but the kit's normally $80, and so you're getting over $105 worth of product for $25. Great way to do it. So yeah, so if you're wanting to get into the skincare stuff, the makeup, the Aspira, why not now? Why not share it with people? Yes, I just love that. And so since I'm talking about skincare and inside and out, the Resurfacing Expert is on sale, 2 for $40. And this is one, it has like a dropper, and it has a spot on the top to hook onto it to get it. It's like a microdermabrasion in a jar. And how you use it is after you've cleansed, before you put any moisturizer on, you put this on. You don't have to wash it off or anything, but it's like a microdermabrasion in a jar. And guess what? Spring's here, and why not get your face looking so radiant? So this is a good thing for that. And if you are prone to acne, or if you just want a really good toner, these toner pads are in the catalog, in the mix and match kind of stuff in that line. But we also have the whole kit of the professional. So if you have those young people that have some acne breakouts, why not get them started on this line? It used to be in a new line, and then they changed it to called the professional line. All the entire kit for $19.99. And our feet are going to start showing. One thing that I picked this time to show is the 3-in-1 oil, pampering oil. It's one that you can use as a massage, and it has the lavender in it. But you can also use it as a foot soak. But it also is great for your cuticles, for your toes, as well as your nails. It just takes a little teeny bit, and it's great. All the foot stuff, 2 for $9. And since you're going to do your feet, I'm really good about doing my toenails, but not so great on my fingernails. But now that they're starting to get a little better, I do. But look at this fun color, teal and a French tip white. So wouldn't that be a fun one for spring? I'm not usually into wild colors, but I just love this color. My favorite foundation. It's the a new Flawless liquid foundation, and it's one it has a pump on it, and you just need a little bit. It really remember, and it just goes in and it covers up the imperfections. And then I over top of this I use the Mark Powder Buff, and because that's a buildable oil-free one. Hey Jennifer, thanks for joining. And you know what? That just makes a flawless finish, even if you don't have a super flawless face. And one of the things, even though the Powder Buff comes with a little, one of those round sponge things, I love brushes. And this Mark brush is in our outlet for $9.99. And I just love, because it has some goat hair, so it's really super soft. And I think brushes are very vital. And remember to wash your brushes, and Avon bubbles with a little bit of water, swish them in there until they completely go clean. And guess what? That is a great way to wash your brushes, and you should at least once a month wash them because you don't want the buildup on your face. So that's a great way to do that. Candles. This is such a relaxing smell. Bergamot and sandalwood. Our candles are the 3-wick ones, and they burn beautifully. On sale for $11.99. And here's a fun pair of, if you want a bold earring, it's red, but it's a post. And they are in the catalog with some of the other fun kind of jewelry. And I have to show you this because I just thought this was, let me see if I can find it. I marked it. But I thought they'd be even kind of fun with some of our, I love this set. It shows it in here on this page as well as in, oh, look at this. Sorry, since I'm here, our shoes. They even have for us women with big understandings, a big foot. But we have them in a couple different colors, and they're just really soft, lightweight. They bend nice, so that's a good thing. But they have the ankle support. That's what I always look for in a shoe. So that's kind of a fun thing. And then another thing that's right in that area is this dress, and it has like a ruching kind of thing around the middle, and it has like sailboats. So is that a spring looking one or not? Oh, and it has just little sleeves, little short sleeves. And it comes in the red or the blue. And what is so cool is they're on, they're just on the regular price of $24.99, which I thought was a fantastic deal for dresses and for people that are just little petite things, look how cute they are even on them. They are just so cute. And so I might be sporting one of those. What else did I have to quick show you? Oh, here's that necklace I was telling you about earlier. But look at it on the cardigan. And is this something I never thought of? Just wearing the cardigan as a top. I've always just wore it as something to wear over top of a top. But we have a bunch of new colors, and I just think they are just beautiful. I just love them. And then they showed them, I thought they have to show you this, the cardigans with our capris. And these on here have dots, they're polka dots, just little polka dots on them. And then some fun things. Look at this. I put this in there just so you can see it. Your cell phones will fit inside of this cute little wristlet. And there's a spot for your cash, your cards, your coins. But I thought it would be a perfect way to remind me to go for a walk, and I can take my phone and have a few bucks with. But guess what? It has a little wristlet. I just think it's so, so cool. And I'm so into spring things, I can tell, because look at this. In our living line is in the regular catalog, and you get these 6 little stakes: parsley, basil, sage, oregano, and mint, and herbs from the ground they are so good for you. And so I think this is a great way to get them, even if you put them in, I think putting them in pots and then keeping them in. We keep our rosemary year round in a pot and bring it inside and out. So we cook with it a lot. So yeah. And one more thing. Our jacket. It's a white jacket, long sleeves, and it has little side pockets here. They're $39.99. And look at this. This is, I think, so cool. It reminds you about how contouring, last time I showed you the contouring stick, and everybody that orders that from me, or any of these other contouring things, I am making copies of this in colored so that you can see it when you're putting this on. So yeah, I think contouring is fun, and I've been doing that, and I kind of think it's helping. This doesn't look like my face is a little slimmer. I'm hoping someday I slim down again. I used to be, but that's part of life. But Campaign 8 is what we're ordering from. Hey, Natalie, thanks for joining. And do go back and watch the rest of it so you can see some of the fun stuff that I've been showing. And remember, we can always back order 2 brochures, so Campaign 6 and 7 are still good. And I bet you've been wondering what this bag is. Well, this time I'm going to put all my fun stuff in here. We had this incentive called Cruise Like a Boss, and in there we could earn different bags and things. Well, I got this in my order, my tote bag. I earned that, and I just love it. It's like really nice heavy-duty handles, and you know me, I carry lots of stuff. But I like this part. It has a zipper on there, and it has a nice lined inside, but it stands up really nice. So I am going to start carrying my stuff in this campaign in here to show people. But Avon does have lots of incentives that we can earn. And remember, anybody that joins starting today through April 2nd, when you order your kit, you'll also get the Hunger Block in there, which is normally $25 for free. That's part of it. So thanks for joining me. And until next time, Faye Swenson, Independent Sales Rep and National Recruiter with Avon. Thanks for joining me, and have a wonderful day.